Alright, question 7. Anya makes scented candles for sale. The tasks A to K and the prerequisites for each task are shown in the precedence table below. Use the information in the precedence table above, draw and label using A to K a network diagram. I love these things. Highly recommend using pencil with these unless you want to be like me and live dangerously, use pen. Ears are erasable. But yes, basically I always just start the first task here without a prerequisite, so we'll just put a start node, make sure I write start, and task A is the first non-prerequisite task. Make sure you do arrows. Probably that's the big area I see people lose marks with these things. This is a digraph, it needs these arrows. That's super important. And if they do have times allocated as well, just put the time there. These ones don't. Task A, what's a prerequisite task A? Task B. So with these things, I highly recommend just getting them started and seeing where you go. Have an eraser handy because you're probably going to need it. Who knows, you might be lucky. But yes, just see where you go. So task B is a prerequisite for task E. I've actually got another non-prerequisite task. I might have a look at that. So another non-prerequisite means it needs to come out of the start node. What task was that? Task C. So let's just draw it over here somewhere. So that one was task C. I may not have this right straight away, by the way. We'll see how we go. I might need to erase this. And add dummy links and things as I can see it. So task C, what was that a prerequisite? Task D. What's D going to be a prerequisite to? F, and E is also prerequisite to F. So E and D need to connect to the same. So E and D. So D, E and D, E and D connecting to, what needs E and D? F. So F needs to sprout out of this. And then F is a prerequisite to 3. Well, that's nasty. G, H, and I. When I say H and I need to go to 1, G needs to go to a different one. So H and I need to go to 1. H and I need to go to 1. And G needs to go to the same one J does. So G, let's draw you out here. So your G, it's a prerequisite of F, that's right. And then J needs H and I, and needs to connect to the one with this, doesn't it? I think that's right. And then K needs G and J. So K, like that, and I think I'm finished. All right, so when you finish with these, I always check them, and you check task by task. So task A has no prerequisites. Task A, no prerequisites. Excellent. Task B has A of a prerequisite. Yep. Task C has no prerequisites. Yep. Task D has C as a prerequisite. Yep. Task E has B as a prerequisite. Yep. Task F has E and D as a prerequisite. Yep. Task G has F as a prerequisite. Yep. Task H has F and task I has F. Good. Task J has H and I. J, H and I. Good. Task K has G and J. K has G and J. Excellent. Got it right. So like I said, with these things, often have an eraser. You don't often get them right straight away. I think this was nice. Didn't have any dummy links or anything to deal with. But my recommendation is to get started, have an eraser, use some trial and error, do your double check at the end, and make sure you don't throw away marks for doing things like not labeling these lines. So I sometimes see people label the nodes like these things. Don't label them. That's not the tasks themselves. It's the actual arcs between them. And forgetting to do arrows. I mean, they're the easiest mark in the world, and this is a digraph, so make sure that you do the arrows as well. And that's question 7.